I told you that your teeth might be damaged already and you are not aware about it? Even if you're in your early 20s, even if you brush twice daily, even if you have never had cavities in your life. I have come across many patients in their young age losing their teeth very early. No signs, no warnings, just an invisible damage that's happening behind. Sounds scary? It should be, but it's preventable. In today's episode, we are going to talk about why it is happening, what are the signs to look for, and how we can protect ourselves before it's too late. Let's get into it. Vanakkam, I am Dr. Aisha, oral and maxillofacial pathologist and founder of Foursquares Dentistry, Chennai with 15 plus years of experience. Don't wait for the sign of pain. Get your oral health status right away at Foursquares Dentistry, Chennai.
Why are people in their 20s and 30s losing teeth so early? Shouldn't dental problems be something older people worry about?
Exactly. Most of you think that dental problems is only for the older age group because they have used their teeth for so long, right? Many of the young people come with multiple complaints like having gum recession, having bleeding gums, bone loss that is happening, and loose teeth, and eventually coming for the treatment of dental implants even before they reach age 35. Surprisingly, many of these patients have never experienced the sign of pain. That is why this topic is more important, as we assume that young is equal to healthy. But when it comes to teeth, the silent damage happens at a very early stage.
How is this happening? What's really damaging young people's teeth so early?
The main cause is stress. The lifestyle modification we all have acquired. Binge watching, sleeping late in the night, having the deadlines always in mind, and sleepless nights. The most common habit I see with patients is grinding of teeth or bruxism. The continuous grind of upper and lower teeth throughout the night for hours together causes pain in the jaws, flat teeth, and even cracks. It's all happening silently. It's all stress.
Okay, doctor, what about food habits? Is diet playing a major role in tooth loss?
Absolutely, it plays a very major role in tooth loss. It's that excess of sugary foods, aerated drinks, and even those starchy food and sticky diet. These all will definitely cause effect in your teeth. Most of us have started this fashionable diet of one meal a day or OMAD diet. So what is happening when you have one meal a day? There is excess of gastric juice that is secreted, and these gastric juice are acidic in nature. So the acid comes in contact with the teeth and finally causes erosion of the teeth, or even gaps are created in the teeth and there is tooth fracture.
Do dental issues ever signal deeper medical problems?
There are a lot of medical issues which are detected by the dentist. The most common, if you take, is diabetes. Patient suffers from early tooth loss, mobility of teeth, swelling of gums, and even delayed healing after extraction. With all these kind of clinical observations, the patient could be diagnosed for diabetes. Not only diabetes, there are various other conditions like anemia, detection of anemia, or vitamin deficiencies which can be diagnosed by the dentist. We dentists don't only look at teeth, we also look at many other oral health conditions which help in early diagnosis of many medical conditions.
We see a lot of people doing teeth whitening or aligners at home. Is that safe? Is that advisable?
Definitely a big no. As a professional advice or professional process in undergoing these kind of sensitive procedures play a key factor. Are you the right person to undergo bleaching? Are you the right person to have teeth whitening done? These should be detected by the dentist for you to undergo these kind of procedures. By doing it yourself, there could be multiple other situations you land up with where the teeth could get damaged, you could develop cracks in the teeth, and even your gums could get ulcerated at a very early level. By these home-to-do procedures, there are a lot of other consequences that you come across, and repairing these consequences becomes a higher challenge and more expensive. So it is definitely a big no. to undergo these kind of procedures at home.
If there is no pain, why should someone visit a dentist?
Pain is not the only criteria. There are various other symptoms which, as an individual, you should be aware of. Could be foul breath from your mouth, could be because of bleeding gums, swelling of the gums, change in the color of the gums, or even in change in the color of the teeth, very hard deposits that you see over the teeth. These are various other symptoms which everyone should be aware about. With all these gum conditions and teeth sensitivity, you could land up with difficult situations or treatment which is more extensive. Undergoing gum therapy or even root canals and crowns becomes more challenging. To avoid all these kind of consequences, it is mandatory that you visit the dentist every 6 months and get your oral hygiene check done. You can catch things more early, even before it becomes more expensive or painful.
Okay, so what young people can do to protect their teeth?
There are various factors which are involved in protecting the teeth. One, most important, is using fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride plays a vital role in remineralizing the enamel and helping in protection of your tooth wear and decay. The second is usage of floss. Floss could be of two types. One is a thread kind of floss where you can use it in between the teeth, that is interproximal surfaces, and also you could use water floss, which completely cleans the teeth, removes the plaque in between your teeth again. The third is usage of tongue cleaners. Your tongue is flooded with lot of papillae, which definitely could acquire lot of debris and food particles over the tongue. That needs to be cleaned at periodic levels. The fourth is usage of night guards. Night guards will help in relieving the tension of your muscles, and also your teeth are not in contact with each other. It gives a higher lifespan for your teeth. It's not about spending a lot of time over your teeth. It's about investing these small habits as a routine to safeguard your teeth.
One final message to young listeners who think this won't happen to me.
Just staying young doesn't mean everything is fine, and just by having those sparkly white teeth in front of the mirror, that everything is fine. As I said, there are a lot of things that are happening behind. Let's not wait for the only factor of pain to come. I recommend dental checkup at the earliest. Tooth loss isn't just something that happens with age. It's a growing concern among young individuals too. From sports injuries, poor oral hygiene, lifestyle modification, and untreated dental issues. The reasons are many, but the impact is real. And here is the good news. It is preventable and manageable with right awareness, good habits, and timely intervention. If you are a young adult or you know someone dealing with early tooth loss, don't wait. Consult your dentist and start protecting your smile today. We at Foursquare Dentistry are open 365 days a year, as your smile deserves our support every day.